Don't you dare say it. Hi guys, my name's Deepak Shukla, founder at Pearl Lemon Sales. We're a sales training and development agency based in the UK as well as the USA and serving clients worldwide. And here today in day number 15 of 119 days of cold calling training, we're here to talk about the don't you dare say it technique. But before we get into it, feel free to click the link below to get an additional 17 strategies not shared in this training. So fundamentally, I wonder whether you can work it out. I'm not going to say anything for 3 to 5 seconds, and you could just see if you can work out what this technique is about. Right. For those who haven't guessed, the second clue is I have got one word in capitals, as you can see, and that's the clue for what I'm actually talking about. Right. If you've not guessed it, then I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Don't use the word don't. Okay? So there are a shed load of words, keywords, negative keywords, keyword exclusions that you should make sure that you kill, remove, exercise, scorch from your vocabulary because they're things that you don't want to be using on a call with anybody. Okay? So whenever you get on a call with someone, imagine now, they're on the call and they say, Deepak, I appreciate what you're saying, but I really don't have some time, mate. So just another time, yeah, just send me an email. Yeah, no, I totally hear what you're saying, Frank. But if you just give me one more minute, Deepak, please, I do hear what you're saying. Just if you can send me an email, I appreciate it. Yeah, no, I know what you mean, mate. But no, Deepak, okay, no problem. I'll send an email. Cheers. Thank you. Bye. So, guys, do you hear the word that really can rub a person up the wrong way, infuriate them? It is the word don't. Okay? Don't, can't, but, won't. They are keywords or they are words you should not be saying in any cold call. I'm clapping for effect because I want you to understand. Got so excited, I'm coughing all over the place. I want you to understand how critical this is to your cold calling success. Don't you dare, I'm saying it now for impact, for intent, because I want to create the division in your mind. Don't you dare say the word don't, can't, but, won't in cold calls. To be honest with you, indeed, you shouldn't really use it in any calls because your calls are always going to go better. Because as soon as someone hears that word, it just sets up division, divide, rebuttal, rejection, deny, did not compute, I'm not interested. All of those variations are the emotion that bubble up immediately like a kettle boiling to the surface as soon as someone hears those words. And do not get me wrong, it is quite challenging to not use those words in communication, in general dialogue. I mean, even within the realms of this video, outside of all of the elements where I'm intentionally using it, it's quite difficult to fundamentally make sure that you refrain. Do you see what I did there? That you refrain rather than don't from using the word DON-T or CAN-T or WONT. I think that's how you spell won't. But I hope that you take my point. As we grow up, these are words that we get used to hearing, okay? No is also another word that as a child, you get heard from your caregiver, your mum, your dad, whoever, whenever you've been naughty effectively. And I bet you, or I guarantee that you don't remember how naughty you were as a kid. So making sure that you stay away from these words will increase your chances and effectiveness of success over the phone. It's a pretty, in my view, black and white rule. They are really words that would qualify as emotional rejection. And notice what I said there, emotional rejection, because even if you're trying to communicate an important point, people just hear the fact that you're disagreeing, okay? So it's to be disagreeable, it's to be contrite, it's to be unreasonable, it's to be basically a bit of a douche. So make sure you stay away from such words because all they're going to do is interfere everything that comes after that. It doesn't matter what you say after it. I hear what you're saying, Frank, but let me talk. But wait until you hear this. Wait until you. I hear what you're Frank. I hear what you're saying, Frank. However, you might change your mind when you hear this. Did you see the difference there? I hear what you're saying, Frank, but wait until you hear this. I hear what you're saying, Frank, but wait until I tell you this because it might change your mind. I hear what you're saying, Frank. However, listen to what I'm about to tell you because it could change everything, even with what you said. Do you see the difference? That, of course, there's quirks to be worked out with the specific phrasing, but fundamentally, as soon as you stay away from that naughty key word, you're going to just do better than you've been doing historically. So there you have it, guys. The don't you dare say it technique.
Remember, we've got 17 gated strategies just waiting for you. All you need to do is bing, subscribe, as well as click the link in the description below to get access to those 17. Get some.